Hello family, how is everyone doing? Happy 2024. Hope everyone had a great holiday. Everyone is safe and we're ready to begin a new year. This year in 2024, Mrs. O is going to do a lot of different things. Yes, I am going to still cook, but I want to take you guys on an adventure with me. So today I decided I'm going to clean out my pantry and my freezer. So for the next couple of weeks before Valentine comes, we're going to be doing dishes out of my pantry and my freezer. If I haven't cooked it in 2 months and it's not expired, it's time for me to get it out and cook it. So today we're going to do, you guys, I went to the store to get some Jiffy corn muffin mix to do a cornbread pudding, but instead I got Jiffy biscuit mix. So we're going to take that Jiffy biscuit mix and we're going to vamp it up. Now with this recipe, if it's a flop, I'm going to show it to you guys. So I'm going to be very transparent. If it come out horrible, I'm going to show you guys, okay, this don't work. We're not doing this no more. But anyway, with that being said, let's get in this kitchen and let's get to cooking. Let's go. Okay, Royals, this is going to be my challenge. I am going through my cabinets and everything that I haven't used in the last 4 or 5 months that are not expired, I'm going to try to make a dish with. So probably for the next 3 or 4 videos, it will be things that are in my cabinet that I'm going to try and make a dish out of. So you guys will see the bloopers if it don't work. I won't edit it. I'll let you guys see it up close and personal. All right? So here I have Jiffy buttermilk biscuit mix. What I was trying to get was the Jiffy cornbread mix. And I was in such a hurry, I picked up the biscuit mix. So I was like, okay, I don't use Jiffy biscuit mix, so I was going to chunk it. And I was like, nah, this is one I'm going to use to see if I can do something with it, all right? So this is a 8 ounce of Jiffy buttermilk biscuit mix. So for Mrs. O to kind of vamp it up, I have a tablespoon of sour cream that will help the biscuits to have a lighter texture. All right. And of course, I'm going to add, this is smokewood bacon. I'm going to add in the biscuit mix. And this is a mild cheddar cheese that I'm going to add in the biscuit mix. And instead of water, we're going to do 1/2 cup of whole milk and I melted butter. So I'm gonna say this is my beat up bowl. I melted I'm gonna say maybe 2 tablespoons of butter. And you guys, I'm going to try to do it in the air fryer. So that itself will be a test. And I'm going to do it in this pan here. And what we're going to do, we're going to do like, not drop biscuits. We're just going to put the whole biscuit mix in here. And then once they're done, we're going to cut them up. So let's get ready for this ride to see how these biscuits actually turn out. And I'm also, the butter that I showed you, I'm going to put all of that butter in this pan. All right, as soon as I get this mixed up, I'll come back. Okay, I've added the sour cream, the bacon bits, and cheese. Now we're going to add the milk. And this is a 1/2 cup of milk, you guys. And no, we're not going to roll it out. All right? So let's just get it. It's going to be sticky. So this is how you will want it. So do not add any more liquid. Let's just make sure everything is incorporated. Let's go one more again. Hope you guys had a great New Year's Day, a great New Year's Eve. And let's get ready to rock for 2024. All right, I just want to make sure I don't see any of the biscuit mix. Okay, we're almost there. Yeah. I don't know if you guys can see it like I can, but I can still see. And we're going to do it in the air fryer at 325 for 20 minutes. And if it takes longer, I will come back and tell you guys. I'll have it in the description box below. Now this could be a flop, or it could be what Miss O is eating for dinner. All right, so here's the butter in the pan. So all we're going to do is take it. Take it. And press it down. So this is the Jiffy cornbread mix. Now I'm gonna see if I can cut it to where the cuts will stay. But we'll see. They'll probably grow back together. But all right. Let me mash this down. All right, you guys see that? Let me mash it down, cut it to see if the cuts will stay, and I will come right back. All right, I have the air fryer set at 325 for 20 minutes. Now let me show you the biscuits. I cut them. Hopefully it will stay, but we will soon find out. All right, you see how I cut them? And make sure you keep your rack on and just put them on top of the rack. All right, when I come back, hopefully we will have some delicious boxed biscuits. Royal family, we did it. It worked. These just came out of the air fryer. So I'm going to melt some butter, put it on top, plate these babies, and I will show you the finished product and the presentation of the Jiffy buttermilk biscuit mix. All right, one down. Okay, Royal family, here is the finished product and presentation of the bacon cheddar biscuits. When I tell you guys, it's a winner. I'm so excited because I thought this was going to be a total flop in the air fryer, which all of the biscuits are done. They're not doughy. And I want to show you, let me get some syrup so you guys can see this up close and personal. I mean, delicious. Look at this. And the sour cream makes it so fluffy. All right, let me bring it up. and put some maple syrup on it. You see that? All right, I'm about to get a little messy, but I'm going in to show you the inside of it. Hold on. Baby, baby. Look at that bacon on there. Oh my Lord. All right, Royal Family, I don't want to hold you long. Thank you, thank you, thank you for sticking with me so. We're going to have a great 2024 together. And until I see you again, God bless you. Stay safe. And as I said in 2023, out of everything we do, put God first. God bless you.